What's up, everyone? As always, welcome back to Broke Man Finance, a YouTube channel where we provide honest and down-to-earth thoughts and opinions on certain stocks we like and don't like, and overall a different perspective that may help you at the end of the day make an investment decision. For today's video, I'm doing a quick update on a penny stock company called DraganFly and an exclusive deal they just signed with a former co-founder of Apple. Now, back in January, I did a video on DraganFly, and at the time of the video, it was trading around $1.63 a share. Since then, they haven't slowed down at all and are now trading at around $2.40 a share, with an overall 539% increase the past 6 months alone. So let's jump right into the news that really this video is all about, that really puts the company in a good position moving forward in 2021. DraganFly and former Apple co-founder Steve Wozniak just signed an exclusive deal to partner up. So here are the key points of this partnership. DraganFly will be the exclusive supplier of drones to Steve's drone program across its national K-12 curriculum, with the expected deployment of approximately 3,000 drones in 2021 alone. Drone design and technical product advice by Steve's team for proprietary drones and drone-related products is also included in the partnership, as well as a collab and partnership and fully funded international innovation centers. These 3,000 drones will range in price from around $150 a drone to $5,000. Obviously, not every drone will, of course, be $150, and not every drone will be $5,000. So we know the revenue will be around anywhere at the low end of $450,000 and below $15 million for the scope of the overall drone orders. A reasonable estimation puts it in the lower half, probably in the $2.5 million to $4 million range. Again, this is just the speculation of the prices, and it puts it in the lower quadrant of the range and kind of gives us a general idea, more on a conservative level, of what the price will be or what the revenue DraganFly will get based off this deal. Of course, a purchase order of over 3,000 drones and much needed revenue isn't nothing to really overlook, but the real big factor, at least for me in this deal, is the ability for DraganFly to partner up with a legendary engineer in Steve Wozniak. I mean, this guy, along with Steve Jobs, completely changed the way we look at electronics, the way we use electronics, and part of that original groundwork and foundation that they provided turned Apple into one of the most valuable companies in the overall world. While some analysts have come out and said, hey guys, you need to be careful with DraganFly because this is a product, it's an electronic product that could possibly, as with any electronic products really, can be made, produced, and shipped from Asia and really kind of weaken its overall customer base. But my rebuttal to that is DraganFly's main products is more of an industrial sized drone. I mean, these are not the drones that you're buying on Amazon or you're going to Best Buy and buying for $500 to $600 for your kids to play with or do recreational photography. These are mega duty drones that really have a significant demand for them when we look at across all type of sectors in the United States and the world for that matter. I mean, when we start looking at the multiple products that they offer, I mean, again, it's from smaller industrial sized drones to unmanned mapping drones to even drones that can fly over surfaces and spray cleaning solutions, which has become a demand obviously with the COVID-19 pandemic. Back in December, Alabama State University started to use drones to spray disinfectant in their football stadiums and their arenas. And they're also claiming to be the first university in the United States to utilize this method to provide a safe environment for its players as well as its fans. But when we look to the future, there's definitely a demand for drone and the ability to capitalize and make some money off of this industry. According to a report by Inside Intelligence, the drone service market size is expected to grow to $63.6 billion by 2025 and predicts consumer drone shipments will hit 29 million by 2021. Sales of U.S. consumer drones to dealers surpassed $1.25 billion in 2020 alone, and Goldman Sachs forecasts the total drone market size to be worth around $100 billion. Of course, this is supported by growing demand for drones in the commercial and government sectors across the board. Back in December, the U.S. Department of Agriculture partnered with DraganFly to use its commander drone for data collection and analysis, supporting the narrative we just talked about where I mentioned demand for commercial and government sectors is only going to increase and support this $100 billion market, again forecasted by Goldman Sachs. But here's the thing, regardless of what happens with the drone industry, which obviously is their main bread and butter, DraganFly has dabbled in artificial intelligence industry as well, giving them more of a diverse product. They now have a vital intelligence software that helps detect vitals on humans and overall spacing or the social distancing for humans. But DraganFly hasn't stopped there. They're using their artificial intelligence to partner with other companies to really expand what they can provide to its customer service base. Last month, DraganFly announced they had teamed up with Windfall Geotech to start testing on advanced drones using artificial intelligence to detect landmines. In that same report, an estimated of $540 million was spent by industries and governments in 2018 alone to deal with the problem of landmines and explosive remnants of war. When we think about this, we see a lot with IEDs or improvised explosive devices. As a veteran myself, guys, this could be a complete game changer for the company and the industry overall. I mean, if this product is successful where they're able to fly over and detect landmines, we're not looking at United States contracts. We're not just looking at Canada contracts. We're looking at major international, NATO, the UN. This is going to be a product that's going to be utilized across all type of industries throughout the world. You know, not obviously it's going to bring in a lot of money, but look at what it can do as far as saving lives, reducing injuries, reducing PTSD. Just overall, the impact on humanity itself could be a monumental milestone in keeping people safe. However, DraganFly does have certain limitations, and currently they're only traded on the OTC or over-the-counter market. So some platforms like Webull and Robinhood that are very popular with average Joe investors cannot trade the stock because those platforms don't support it. I personally have to use my other platform, TD Ameritrade, where they do support being able to buy into DraganFly. But the good news is they have announced to be listed on the NASDAQ. They went through the process. So hopefully sometime this summer or early fall, DraganFly will be available to all investors and be able to enjoy hopefully some nice increases on that stock. Now, of course, there are numerous other drone companies out there to invest in. But when I look at DraganFly and really what they have to offer on the sectors in the industrial and the government side, I'm very bullish about this company. I think they have a great future ahead of them. This is a stock that every chance I get when I have extra money, I'm able to add it to my portfolio. And for under, $5 a share, I think this is a great buy. Obviously, they do have some limitations. As with any company or any penny stock company, there is some volatility there. But this is something that I think with their past record, they're not a new company. They've had a established record of increasing. I think they have a very good future ahead of them. And of course, we look at some modest projections, putting the stock near $4 a share by the end of next year with a steady growth each and every month. However, I think if they continue the path that they are on and keep adding these contracts and keep becoming more popular, obviously this deal with Steve Wozniak is a huge thing that really puts them on the map and opens the eyes possibly to more investors. We're going to go way past that $4 projection. I think this stock could easily hit $10 a share in the next 5 years. So if you're an investor and you already own DraganFly, or if you overall like the company and what they can do for your portfolio, do us a favor, hit that like button and help us grow our channel so we can be similar to DraganFly. And of course, guys, do not forget to check out the links below. We have our free Discord. There's a free link to get a free stock if you choose Robinhood, and there's also a way to get free $10 of Bitcoin by joining Coinbase using my referral link. As always, thanks for watching. I hope your stocks stay green. I hope you stay safe, and we'll see you on the next video. Later.